Welcome back, my dear students. So now in this particular video, we're going to be working up with the tablet rendering for our particular website. Now we're going to be first working up with the theme customizer itself, and then we're going to be taking a look at the Elementor page builder so that we can design it accordingly. So what you need to do is to go ahead and then you need to click on the inspect right here. And now you can either select iPad, iPad Pro, or whatever you want to say, and then your website will be changed according to that. Now iPad Pro has quite a big resolution, and that is why this is how it's looking. So we'll just go ahead and we will just switch to the iPad right here, and you can see that on the iPad these are the most usually the tablet optimization for an iPad, and you can see how this is working. So right here you can see that we have got this right here, and then we have got this iGlow shop, and this is how it's working. And right down below, if we go down, these are the products working, and right here everything is working just like that. So let's suppose that if we click on any of the category and we just go there, then we are getting 3 products right here. And let's suppose that if we were to click on this one, we'll be redirected to that, and this is how it's looking. We have got the options, and we select black, and we select it to be 256 GB, and then we hit add to cart. We will be taken to the cart page, and let's see how is our cart page looking. So we've got everything designed here, to be very honest, but there are a few things. We want to get rid of this, and we want to do just that. And let's come up here and let's see, and everything works perfectly okay. But what we want to do is that we want to get rid of this. We want to get rid of this right here. So what we will do for that is that we need to go into the customize right here, and we will click on the theme customizer. Alright, so now once you are in the theme customizer, all you need to do is to select it to be the tablet mode, and tablet mode is actually selected. Now what we need to do is that we need to go into the header builder, and right here you can see that we've got this header builder, and we've got this off canvas, and we've got this site identity, and we have got this. Then what we will do is that we will click on this site identity and logo, and right here for the tablet, here it says display site title. So what we will do is that we will uncheck this, and then this will be gone. Now this header is actually for the tablet, all right? So right here you can see that we have got this toggle button, all right? And here is it. Here's the style. So if you want to change the style, you can particularly go ahead and you can change that. But what you can do as well is that you can particularly add your shopping cart here as well in your particular tablet. Right here, and you can see that this is how it's looking. And similarly, what you can do is that you can bring this toggle button here, and here should be the shopping cart, just like that. So if you want it this way, you can do it as well. And now you can see that how cool this is working, just like that. And then you can go ahead and you can just go ahead and you can publish that. Now there are no more other changes that you actually need to do, so you can go ahead and you can do that. Similarly, on a mobile device, you can do that if you want to add it on a mobile device. But on a mobile device, you can see that this will be really much we basically need to make sure that we do some alignments in here. So let's suppose that we would have to resize our logo to be a bit more smaller, and now you can see that this is how it will actually look like. All right, and then you can go into the cart, and then you can go to the design right here. And if you basically want to hide it on a mobile device, then you can just go ahead and you can hide it on a mobile device. Remember, if you just go ahead and you uncheck this disable the cart total, it will be disabled right here, but it will be also be disabled on every page size there. So what you need to do is to make sure that that is enabled, and you can see that this is how it's looking. So if you want to hide it on a mobile device, I would actually recommend you to hide it on a mobile device, because we already have got this cart over here. And so you can go ahead and you can click on it to be hide on a mobile device, and then you can click on the site identity and logo, and you can increase the logo size, logo width, just like that. So there we go. This is how it's looking right now, and now you can go ahead and you can hit publish. So now what have we done? We have added our cart page, our cart option onto our tablet. So let's see how is the cart looking on a tablet device. So What I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to the inspect right here, and you can see we've got this card. And when I click on it, I've got this card coming up from the sidebar, and this is how it's actually working. Now, if you just go ahead and we go into the shop page right here, you can see that this is how it's working, and everything is working right here. Let's suppose that if we click on it and then we click view card, we will be taken to the card page, and we click proceed to checkout, we will be on the checkout page, and this is how it's working. And let's also take a look at our my account page. So let's see if there is any other thing that we need to change, and it seems like we do not need to change anything. So there we go. Now we are fully done with our tablet optimization, but there are a few things that we need to do on the home page that is still left, and these are the things that we will be doing using the Elementor. So right here you can see this image is repeating. We have got this right here. Then we've got this right here, how this is very much bigger in size, how this is coming. So we need to align these things, all right? And this is perfectly okay, so we do not need to create like another shortcode for that. And now we go down, we've got this for her section and for him section, and everything seems to be working. But there are a few things that we need to do, so we'll be doing that on the next video. Stay tuned, guys. Have a good day. Bye-bye.